Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this edition, I will be answering a question that was asked by one of our comments, one of our viewers or our audience on our YouTube channel. So, Sweetie Esther wants to find out the kind of software that I used in projecting my phone onto the laptop screen. Okay, so first and foremost, I would want to explain that is called mirroring. So mirroring, I'm casting my or screen casting. That is mostly what you see on your phone, some phones. Okay, so with me and my tutorials, I normally use this software, this particular software over here. So it is called Let's View. This is the software that I use in projecting my phone screen onto my laptop. And then one thing is this, once you have the app version, you also need to get the PC version so that you can be able, the two of it would have to connect together so that you can be able to project your screen. So when you look at the interface over here, you can use a QR code over here. You would have to connect both together. So you over here you have connect to Wi-Fi, and then if you look down here, you would see that both of it is supposed to be connected. You have the home button. The discover is when you want to find out more. You can use it for whiteboard. So whilst you are working on your phone, it is showing on the PC. This one is just like using it for a board, a discussion on the board. And then you can also use it to send details or files in between, like the tutorial I did concerning Zender. Okay, you can watch that one here. And then over here there are a lot of settings that you'd want to do with respect to the resolution, the quality. So with respect to the resolution, the quality, HD, that kind of a thing. So if you want to use the whiteboard, that one also here, and custom mirror microphone with audios. So either you want to show your computer's cursor, also you have it over here, and you want to control your phone mode. So either you want to control with the mouse or you want to control with a touch. So that one is also available on this app. So this is what I use. It is called the Let's View app. It is called the Let's View app. It is just a very simple and short video. Thank you so much for joining.